Meet the red-eared slider turtle. The red-eared slider turtles are freshwater turtles. They have a red streak on the side of their head. These red streaks kind of resemble ears. Pretty cool, right? Here's my red-eared slider turtles. I have two of them, getting pretty big. You can see that there's those red streaks right there on the side of their head, look like ears. Here's the other one. Can't see it. There you go. It's not as dark, but you can see that not all the red-eared slider turtles are the same. Now, here's the reason they have that slider attached to their name. They actually like to slide down the rocks and slopes. And here, this one's trying to go down the ramp here. And there it goes. Living the good life. Red-eared slider turtles are travelers. They live warm and sunny places. You can find them in ponds, lakes, and slow-moving rivers worldwide. They're originally from southern United States. You can also find them in the home as pets. These are my two turtles again, when they were much smaller. Great swimmers. Red-eared slider turtles are excellent swimmers and spend much of their time in the water. Their streamlined shells and webbed feet make them agile underwater. The turtles can hold their breath underwater for up to 30 minutes. That's longer than most of us can. Lifespan champs. Red-eared slider turtles are one of the most popular pet turtles in the world. But remember, owning one is a big responsibility. They can live up to 30 years. Sunbathing experts. Red-eared slider turtles love to bask in the sun. They climb onto rocks or logs to soak up those sun rays. It's kind of like their version of a spa day. Here's my turtles basking on their tables. Foodies. Red-eared slider turtles are big foodies. They'll munch on plants, insects, and even small fish. Yum! But don't overfeed them if you have one as a pet. I use this feeder. They need a balanced diet to stay healthy. My pet turtles eat special pellets that meet their dietary needs. This makes it much easier to take care of them and to keep them as a pet. My turtles are about 20 years old now, so I know this food works well to meet their needs. I hope that you learned some interesting facts about red-eared slider turtles. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!